Now let's do some examples of determining the geometric area of the inlets required to maintain the velocity of the air to below an acceptable level. Example 1. Determine the minimum required geometric area of inlets required to maintain the velocity of the inlet air to below an acceptable level for a building with the following parameters. You've got 6 fans operating at 10 cubic metres a second each, and the building has got public access. What you should have got was, first of all, because it's for the general public, the maximum velocity of the inlet air should not exceed 5 metres a second. To determine this, you need this formula. AI must be greater than or equal to, you've got Vmax divided by U times CI, where AI is your area inlet in square metres, Vmax is your total volumetric flow of air that's going out the building when all the fans are running, U is your maximum velocity of your air in metres a second, and CI is your area inlet coefficient. If you'd have put them in there now, you'd have got an answer of AI must be greater than or equal to 20 square metres. That's the minimum area you need. Now, if you've got less than 20 square metres of inlet air coming in, the velocity would exceed 5 metres a second in this particular case. Because when it's for the general public, the maximum velocity of the air is 5 metres a second. If you've got more than 20 square metres of inlet air, and that's from your automatic doors and your automatic vents opening, if you've got more than 20 metres squared, then it's going to be less than that velocity. But that's the absolute minimum. Let's do another example. Example 2. Determine the minimum required geometric area of inlets required to maintain the velocity of the inlet air to below an acceptable level for a building with the following parameters. You've got 4 fans all operating at 11.5 metres cubed per second. And the building has got public access. Again, public access. So, the inlets have a coefficient of 0.6, we knew that. The building has public access. Let's look. The answer, first of all, because it's for the general public, the maximum velocity of the inlet air should not exceed 5 metres a second. You know that. Put all the variables in the model here, AI model, you'd have got an AI greater than or equal to 15.33 square metres. So you need at least 15.33 square metres of inlet air that's provided by opening doors or automatic opening vents. If you've got less than that, you're going to exceed the 5 metres a second and it could impede the means of escape. So that's the minimum area you need in that particular area. Now, you've gone through some examples with you. We want to carry out some exercises now. So you'll have to carry out the exercises involving this geometric air inlets. Carry them out.